In this video, you will learn how to install a Surfsight camera using a Surfsight OBDII power adapter. The Surfsight camera package contains the following items. For this demonstration, we will install the Surfsight camera in a Dodge Ram truck. First, locate the OBDII port in the vehicle. In most vehicles, the OBDII diagnostic port is under the driver's dashboard. In this example, the OBDII port is underneath the dash panel facing down. Remove the dash panel for easy access to the OBDII port. Next, find a suitable location for the camera on the windshield. Use an alcohol-based wipe to clean the area on the windshield where the Surfsight camera will be installed. Dry the area to ensure all excess alcohol is removed. After determining the exact location of the Surfsight camera, remove the film from the adhesive, then mount the Surfsight camera to the windshield. Apply pressure for 30 seconds. Temporarily power up the Surfsight camera by plugging in the OBDII power adapter directly to the vehicle's OBDII port. After startup, tap the screen, then enter the 4-digit PIN to enable the Surfsight camera. Press Live View to verify that Camera 1 provides an optimal forward-facing view. Also verify that Camera 2 clearly shows the driver and passengers. Next, using the screwdriver provided, tighten the 3 security screws to fix the Surfsight camera to the previously determined location. If the mirror is obstructing access to the screws, you may need to first remove the Surfsight camera from its base. Proceed to install the Surfsight AI-12 tamper-proof case by snapping it into position. Ensure the case is not pinching the wire. Tighten the 2 screws with the screwdriver to secure the case. The device is ready to be installed. Slide the Surfsight camera back into the base that was previously attached to the windshield until it locks into place. Route the cable in the headliner toward the A-pillar. Remove the covers on the A-pillar so you can route the cables underneath. Use cable ties to secure the cable. Stay clear of obstructions such as airbags. Trim any excess tie. Continue routing the cable through the dash and toward the OBDII port as needed. Next, remove the OBDII port from the dash panel that was removed earlier. Connect the male end of the universal T-harness to the OBDII port. Secure the connection using a cable tie. Trim any excess tie. Prepare the female end of the universal 16-pin harness by attaching the appropriate adapter. For this vehicle, adapter number 6 was used. Then, attach the C-clips to both sides of the connector. Proceed to mount it to the factory diagnostic port location. Next, connect the Surfsight OBDII power adapter to the universal 16-pin harness. Secure the connection using a cable tie. Trim any excess tie. Bundle the excess wiring using cable ties and secure it in a suitable location under the dashboard. Trim any excess tie. Proceed to reattach all dash panels. Turn on the ignition and ensure the cameras are functional. Go to Settings and press Calibration to finalize the installation. The installation is now complete.